Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hello, little learners. Today, we're going to count from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Let's count the ball. 1. Number 2. Let's count the butterflies. 1, 2. Number 3. How many balloons? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. Look at the playful cats. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. How many flowers can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. Count the quacking ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8. Let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. How many kites? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. Let's count the swimming fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 11. 11 apples. Let's count along with me. Number 12. 12 cupcakes. Count along with me. Number 13. 13 airplanes. Number 14. 14 ladybugs. Number 15. 15 puppies. Number 16. 16 ice cream cones. Number 17. 17 penguins. Number 18. 18 bears. Number 19. 19 octopuses. Number 20. 20 dolls. You did it! We counted all the way from 1 to 20. Let's say all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thanks for counting with us, friends. Keep practicing your numbers. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.